Okay, this is video 2 in the DAC Extravaganza. I hope you enjoy this unboxing as much as I did. I was drooling, and I also share a little tidbit about why my husband, put himself down as this animal to show that he was a real man. Here we go. We have number 2 of the DAC Extravaganza. If you missed number 1, I'm going to put it in a little eye for you. Because it has a blue line, you guys know that it is square. I'm just slicing it off camera. This is one I saw on a weekend. I was going to do a no-buy. And then this came out, and I was like, seriously? I had to have it, and I didn't know if it would come back or not, because it was during our COVID pandemic time when it was hard to get DACs after the fact. So I purchased it, and it's super heavy. It is a 27.6 by 35.0, so a 70 by 89. It's going to be huge. So let's pull this baby out. Let's see what's in here. All right. I do know they put this in after the fact because it's quicker for shipping, but many times these stickers get stuck in the box and I forget about them. All right, here's the toolkit. Look at the picture. It'll show you what's in there. I wish they would put it inside the canvas, but I do know that anything they put in here does, the more they have to add to inside, the longer it takes, and with some of the delays, you know, we're a pesky bunch. We want it right away. We want it right away. All right, so I'm going to show you just a little bit here. Do you guys know what this is? Whew, it's another Hannah Lynn. And I didn't do it on purpose where I selected 2 Hannah Lynn's. I literally just picked 3 boxes. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to pull out. Oh my goodness, there's 2 of them. All right. Had to clean off my desk for this. You guys know what this is with the boots? Look at this red. OMG. I love any part that has the ombre or the shading fading in. It just takes my breath away. So yes, this is Aussie Girl by Hannah Lynn. She is absolutely adorable. Look at that little kangaroo, the little roo. Oh my goodness, I had to get her outfit and her hair. She's just like, oh my goodness. And then here's the little koala. One of the reasons I had to get her is on my bucket list. I've always wanted to go to Italy, and I've wanted to go to like New Zealand, Australia. And my husband, little story, when we were in college, we put a real man test. So my roommate and I developed like a 15 questionnaire. You had to go down through the questionnaire and answer things like, if you could be any animal, what would it be? What is your favorite movie? Etc., etc. And then we would give you if you were a real man or not. And my husband filled that out back before he was my boyfriend. And the animal he said he wanted to be was a koala because he was cute, cuddly, but fierce when needing to be. And ever since then, I don't have a pet name for him like with a koala, but when he was in the hospital and really sick, we thought we were going to lose him. I went down to the gift shop and got him a koala. And so when I saw it in this picture, not only did I love the Aussie girl herself, but the koala is what sold me because I needed a koala. All right. Also, what I love about DAC is they give you instructions if you're brand new, both on the box and inside. But there's also my tips and tricks. Check it out. They give you a little sticker that you can put in your logbook. So if you have your logbook and you want to put the sticker, it fits perfectly right here. You can put the design name, custom, date started, date completed, date purchased, shipped and received. You have an unboxing star review and a post review. That's awesome. And then they give you, this is a big sticker, so you can cut these and put them on your storage if you want. You can also cut this picture out and put it on top of your storage box, and you know what's in the storage box. If you have more than two, my friend recommended cut the sticker out of one and then cut the description part, and then even though you only have a picture on one, the description's on the second one. It says 50 colors in it, and it looks like 3 ABs. It is square, like we said, and the ABs are 1, 2, and 3. So the 2 are greens, and they look like they're just scattered through her outfit and through some of the foliage over here and over here. The 3s are blue. There's some, that's not her belt. That's like a flower or butterfly, I think. Not sure. Let me look at the picture. I don't have my glasses on. Yeah, it looks like it's like a flower she has in her hair. And there's some up there where I can't reach, some right here, some over here, and they're not blueberries, they're little flowers. And then number 1 looks like it's white, and that, let's see where that is. Okay, so over here, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Let me check what you're seeing. Yep, over here in the top of some of the plants. All right, so I love the sky. Oh, she's so brilliant. Look at these colors. There's the AB, which stands for Aurora Borealis, and it just means there's a coating that makes it look rainbow sequence-like versus sparkle. So that was the green. And then I'm going to put these over here. There is a lot of 310, but not as much. What I like about the scenes of Hannah Lynn, because it's not as close up, there's not as much 310. You get more of the colors, the vibrancy. All right, so here's like that pretty blue purple AB, and then the green must be hiding. No, I did the green. Oh, it's yellow and not white. So there's the yellow AB. It was a little bit more costly because it is bigger. But think about it. It's square. It has, just a second. It's square. It has 50 colors. I actually need to time myself for once on one of these. I haven't before. And, but you're going to get probably anywhere from 50 to 100 hours, if not more, depending on how fast or slow you go. And so if you divide that into how much you pay, oh my goodness, you know, per hour that you're paying for entertainment and fun, you can't, it's an amazing deal. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna measure this real quick. So we got 70 going that way, and then this is going to be interesting because this is huge. It's like 89 centimeters. $70, $80. It's like 89 and a half. Woohoo! All right, guys, so I hope you love this as much as I do. I put the information down below for you to purchase, and if you would like to see the next one, keep sticking around till the end. Otherwise, it'll go live shortly. So love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.